Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get redeem code on TestFlight. So first you need to install the application. After you do that, you open it. Then you will see this one. You are going to click on continue. After that you are going to agree to the terms. After you do that, you will see this. So in order to get redeem code on TestFlight, you need to have an invitation from one who is using the application, and the code will be received in your email. After you get this code, you are going to click on redeem. Then you type in the code, for example, then you click on redeem. So for me it is an example, but you will have the correct code, so you will paste it there, and after that you can have the access to get a TestFlight interface and etc. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe.